So guys, Thomas here, Tripple Rc-Xtreme down the grill pit with Traxxas ERevo 2.0, and as you can see, I did find them at home, top of a shelf, the classic narrow trenchers on Tech 5 rims. Feels great. Ah. And for the record, since they have approximately almost zero offset, I'm running, I think it's 10 millimeters extended hex on the car. Think we could backflip for days. I think so. Yep. Yeah, they've been here, must been here yesterday or Friday. Feels really great. Downside, the tires are rubbing the the fenders on the front. It's a little bit steep here. Yeah. Shouldn't do that, but I'm too lazy. Need to be more sensitive on the throttle, that's for sure. I have no idea how many. No hydroplane for me. Well, I might not believe it, but I pray to something that the hex isn't destroyed. In that case, it's gonna be tough. So yeah, let's see here. The thing is, they are not serrated, those hexes, the hex nuts. Yeah, it's gonna survive. Thank you. Talk about luck. Yeah, just a little bit of, how you say, tooth marks. And the question is, can we find it? I don't think so, but maybe if I check the replay. Could be anywhere. Needle in a haystack, or what to say. No, there it is. Yeah. I'm going to use Loctite 278. It was just a smaller amount, because on the hybrid car I took a little bit too much, so I can't get them off. I didn't. So this was awesome, really awesome. Soon you can drive up here. So yeah, that's it, guys. And I think the motor lipo, yeah, this came loose. So besides that, it's yeah, working great. Gonna go over. Yeah, they're gonna survive. Well, that's it, guys. Time for me to go home and edit some clips. Thanks for watching. Bye.